Good morning. Happy Sunday. CBC News meteorologist Ryan Snodden here in the studio. Sorry for the delay on this. Couple of technical issues. Does look like we are cooking with gas now, and so let's get right to it. So much great news to pass along to you folks. Blizzard warnings, winter storm watches, wind warnings, blowing snow advisories. This is as of 11 a.m. Sunday morning, so do stay tuned for the latest. Those watches could be upgraded to warnings in Central. Here is all the good news for all you March snow lovers who never want winter to end. So many of you out there, I know. Yeah, let's hope this is Sheila. Would be early, but let's just hope. 25 to 35 centimeters for the Burin, the Avalon, with a mixed drizzle as well. Now the northeast coast, up to the Bay of Exploits, the north coast, also the possibility of some 25, 30 centimeter amounts here by the looks of things, especially if a Tuesday morning snow band lingers there, which does look like it could, but that's not till Tuesday. So again, we'll tweak this map obviously as it needs to be, but you folks definitely along that northeast coast, looks like a lingering snow band there into Tuesday morning. Could bump up your totals. Bay of Islands, Corner Brook, 10 to 15 centimeters looking set there. And you folks in Central, again, generally in that 15 to 25 centimeter range. There is the system as of now. A little bit of mixing over southern Nova Scotia up into the Bay of Fundy already. That is what I'm looking for to move over the Burin and the Avalon Peninsulas into Monday afternoon. Here's how things will play out in terms of your timeline. Note that the strong winds and the snow come in as a tandem from nothing to something pretty quickly along that south coast tonight, with gusts to 100 kilometers per hour. Also gusts to 100 along exposed areas of the west coast this evening as winds move in from the east. St. John's, the northeast coast, into the snow around midnight and into the early morning hours. Those winds picking up quickly as well. Some very solid to heavy snow bands coming in here across the Avalon, the northeast coast, Clarenville, early Monday morning. That is snow and blow, and there are those gusts generally in the 80 to 100 kilometer per hour range here through Monday morning as well. Even into the early parts of the afternoon, does look like St. John's and up the northeast coast into those steady snow bands. Now, into the afternoon, it does look like the snow will taper to some freezing drizzle and drizzle here across the Avalon, including Metro, and across the Burin Peninsula as well. Snow and blow continues up the northeast coast right through Monday afternoon, into Monday evening, and even into the overnight. And this is, again, still looking at just some drizzle and freezing drizzle here across the Avalon and the Burin. So the system will last much longer for you folks along that north coast, and that is why you folks could get into some of those higher totals as well when factoring that into Tuesday. Also keeping an eye on the possibility of a couple centimeters here across the Avalon before the system departs on Tuesday. We'll keep an eye on that. Obviously, that's Tuesday, so lots of time to break that down. Here is how things will play out through Monday afternoon in Metro. 10 to 15 centimeters tonight. 10 to 15 centimeters Monday morning. Snow and blowing snow. Gusts in the 80 to 100 kilometer per hour range. Temperatures will rise from about -7 this afternoon to around -4 by tomorrow morning, and then up to the freezing mark with that mixing to some drizzle and freezing drizzle tomorrow afternoon. Winds will ease off across the Avalon and the Burin in the southeast as the system tucks in close, but it will continue to snow and blow central back towards the west coast all day. Blowing snow will be an issue there in central, the northeast, and even over western parts of Newfoundland with those stronger winds. Note today, though, increase in clouds, pretty nice afternoon. I've got 2 dogs at home who I promised I would take for a hike, so I'm going to be out this afternoon enjoying that. I hope you do as well. And then, of course, I'll have another look at things. Any updates to pass along, I'll do so at cbc.ca/Ryan Snodden. Make sure you stay tuned and enjoy your afternoon.